federal government spent 701 million naira on Remi Tinubu's foreign trips in 3 months. Recent reports have brought attention to the expenditures associated with Nigeria's First Lady's office, sparking discussions about government spending. In 2023, the federal government allocated 1.5 billion naira for vehicle procurement in a supplementary budget. Former Chief Whip of the Senate, Ali Ndume, stated that this allocation was for the presidency as a whole, not specifically for the First Lady's office. However, a report by Punch newspaper citing data from GovSpend, a civic tech platform that tracks government expenditures, has revealed significant spending related to the First Lady's activities. Over a 3-month period, the government reportedly spent over 700 million naira on foreign trips for the First Lady to 5 countries including 2 African nations. The breakdown includes 77.6 million naira for a US trip in November 2023, 149.8 million naira for a France visit in January 2024, 202.4 million naira for travel to Mozambique in March 2024, 144.6 million naira for an Ethiopia trip in February 2024, 126.3 million naira for a London journey in the same month. Additionally, the report indicated that 340 million naira was spent on 6 programs associated with the First Lady's office within a 4-month period. These expenditures include a 131 million naira paid to Rock of Ages Total Event Center Limited on the 24th of May 2024 for decorating State House events for the First Lady's program focusing on women, youth, and children. Over 107 million naira to Make Way Nigeria Limited on the 29th of May 2024 for multimedia services during these programs. According to the report, the total expenditure on the First Lady's trips and programs over a 7-month period amounts to 1,014,939,004 naira. This level of expenditure raises questions about fiscal responsibility and priorities in government spending, especially given Nigeria's current economic challenges. As of now, official comments from the First Lady's office or relevant government agencies regarding these reported expenditures have not been made available. It is important to note that government spending, especially at high levels, often involves complex budgetary processes and considerations that may not be immediately apparent from the financial records alone. As this story develops, citizens are calling for more detailed explanation of these expenditures and their potential benefit to the nation. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV as we continue to follow this story and provide updates as more information becomes available.